Now we're moving to another aspect of anatomy or histology, just trying to know the body more. And we want to talk about another very important region of the anus, and this is what is known as the squamous anal transition zone. Squamous anal transition zone. So you could see that up here has a different epithelium, and well, down here has a different epithelium. All right, so you can see that this is a transitional epithelium, is a transitional zone, okay, where something gets to like change to become another thing. You understand? So first of all, you should know that it's a region of the anal canal where the rectal columnar epithelium becomes squamous epithelium. I don't know if you understand. This is a columnar epithelium, this is the squamous epithelium. So at this zone there's a change. So this particular place is what is known as a transition zone. So it's what's the anatomy and histology? So rectum is lined by columnar glandular epithelium, while the anal canal, so the anal canal, the upper part is what? Columnar epithelium, alright? Then the middle part is where you have a mixture of it, that's a transition. Then lower part is a stratified. Do you understand? So the squamous anal transition zone is area where the columnar epithelium changes into stratified squamous epithelium. Okay, so it contains the basal reserve cells capable of metaplastic change. Okay, so this place is vulnerable to injuries. If there's a human papillomavirus infection here, it will progress faster. Okay, so clinical significances, we study this region of the body because there's a risk of cancers, or there's a risk of infections coming up so quickly there. So anal intraepithelial neoplasia is an issue there. There's a high risk of human papillomavirus infections. Okay, chronic irritations and infections or inflammations can also occur at that region. Okay, so anal squamous cell carcinoma originates in this zone, so it's also an important site. Okay, that if people that are HIV positive, if they have sex through that side, you know, you can also pick up HIV infections through that side. Okay, so this is what an anal transition zone actually is, epithelial transition zone.